So much for trying to change channels.
This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio tone and same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches.
Test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert weather.
The test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems.
For 10 a.m. observations for the Boston metropolitan area. At Logan Airport, it was partly sunny.
Now for the 10 a.m. observations across the northeastern United States. In Massachusetts, at mostly sunny, 72.
I thought they forgot, so I was going to turn everything to gray stations because they've been going way earlier than normal, but yeah, whatever.
In Rhode Island, at Providence, partly sunny and 71. In Newport, mostly sunny and 77. And at Block Island, partly
Of course, reception is just dog shit right now for zero reason that I cannot understand why. I cannot even fathom why.
in Groton, mostly sunny.
Whatever.
And in New Haven, sunny and 68. In New York State, at Albany, most was 70. The summit of Mount Washington, sunny, 74. And in Cleveland,
Yeah, I just don't know anymore. We wait for gray, because I decided to change this guy back at the last second, like as soon as they went to test. So we'll have to see if this guy works for gray.
Ozone and fine particles from midnight tonight to midnight Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday night. For ozone, Rockingham County and elevations above 3,000 feet. For fine particles, elevations above 3,000 feet. The New Hampshire Department of Environmental Services is predicting unhealthy air quality in the above-mentioned counties. Sensitive individuals include children and older adults. Anyone with lung disease such as asthma, emphysema, and bronchitis. And people who are active outdoors. Any individuals who are considering vigorous or prolonged outdoor activities may experience mild health effects and should consider limiting strenuous or prolonged outdoor activities. For additional information, please visit the New Hampshire Department of Environmental Prediction website at https://www.for.state. New Hampshire/. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WNG575, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.
Little bonus air quality alert.
Pack mode Nadnock MP.
That is from the wildfire smoke in Canada that's making its way down here, I believe.
This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. I now turn to a radio tender.
Couldn't get it.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for southwest New Hampshire and north central Massachusetts. South to State Route 2, including Manchester.
She works.
Rest of today.
Fuck yeah.
Hazy, warm with highs in the upper 80s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour. Tonight, hazy until midnight. Mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour.
Oh, weird.
Mostly sunny.
They sent this as a 30-minute event, I just realized. Instead of a 15.
Variable winds becoming southwest
Odd.
10 miles an hour in the afternoon. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Humid with lows in the mid
Cool. Looks to have been an all-around perfect activation despite the 268, which we'll have to take a look at because that went off for a warning of some sort. Cool. All these guys went off. For those who don't know, this is basically the 268's version of going off for an unrecognized message. It scrolls radio reception error, listen to broadcast, and it displays the warning light, which is pretty cool. On the 991. Cool. Pretty cool.